Hello guys, good afternoon. Now here I am with second data set, that is Play Store underscore reviews. So let's run important libraries and load the data set. Now let's check few records by head. So it will show, basically it will show top 5 rows. Or now let's check up how many rows and columns it contains. So it contains 64,295 rows and 5 columns. Let's check few more information with the help of .info. So there are many null values in translated review, sentiment polarity, and sentiment subjectivity. And these columns are of no use having null values, because if they are not having any reviews, then that is of no use for that particular app. So we can remove this all. Now let's check for how many unique values they have. So we can see that sentiment is having 3 unique values. That means it is a categorical variable over here. Now let's check for how many null values they contain. So app contains 0 null values and all other columns contains more than 26,000 null values. So we will remove these all null values by using drop NA function. So let's drop them, and here x is equals to 0 is to drop the row. If you want to drop a column, we will use 1, but here we need to drop all the rows, so we are doing this. In place equals to 2, here what it will do, basically it will replace in our original data set. So now let's check our dataset. Check how many rows and columns are left. So it is 37,427 rows are left now. So basically cleaning is done. Now few more things are to be done, which we will do in Excel.